Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I'll show you how you can screen record on this device. So anyway, let's pull down our notifications, swipe down once more, and this will extend the toggles, and as you can see we have screen recorder right over here in the corner. So once you locate yours, you can simply press on it to start recording. This will give you a couple options beforehand though. So sound settings, we have none, media or media, and mic. You can choose which sounds you want to record. I'm gonna stick with the first one, none. And then below that you also have show taps and touches, meaning that once you record or start recording, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. This will be visible on the actual screen recording when you're playing it back. And if you're doing some kind of like gameplays, you might want to turn that off. It might be a little bit distracting. But in terms of videos, instructional videos like for instance I am making, this might be a fairly good option to have enabled. And I'll keep it enabled just so you can see how it looks like in general. So anyway, let's select start recording. You can skip countdown. And as you can see, it's now recording. So you can open any kind of application that you want to record. I could open up contacts as an example. Voila, as you can see it's being recorded. You also have a couple options like enable front facing camera. There we go. You can also draw. You can change the options right here as well. You can pause the screen recording. So as you can see, it's now stopped. And for instance, you can open up some kind of application, log into it if you need to, and then you can resume recording afterwards. And from there, also you have the stop button. Once you stop it, it gets automatically saved to your photo application or gallery application, as it's called here. And you can find your screen recording under albums and folder called screen recordings. And you can see there is one right here, which is the one that I have captured. So there we go, that's the screen recording function, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.